is the key to unlocking true love hidden within our own hearts? Join me to find out. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahida Parveen and you're watching Tazkiya. In the fabric of human experience, few threads are as vibrant and complex as love. It's a force that has inspired poets, perplexed philosophers, and driven countless souls to both ecstasy and despair. But in Islam, we understand that love is far more than just a feeling, emotion, or a romantic ideal. It's a profound responsibility, a divine gift, and a skill that can be cultivated through deep understanding, self awareness, and unwavering devotion. Before we can truly open our hearts to another, we must first embark on the challenging yet rewarding journey of self discovery. Just as a majestic oak tree grows from a tiny acorn, lasting love blooms from the seeds of self knowledge and spiritual growth. The Quran, in its infinite wisdom, emphasizes this fundamental truth. And in the earth are signs for those who have faith with certainty, and also in our own selves. Will you not then see? This beautiful verse is not just a casual suggestion, but a powerful invitation, a call to action. It beckons us to look within, to peel back the layers of our existence and understand our true nature and purpose. It's an invitation to embark on a journey of self-discovery that forms the very bedrock of genuine, lasting love. But how do we begin this journey of self-discovery? Let's explore some powerful practices that can illuminate our path. Number 1, mindful prayer or salah. Prayer is more than just a ritual. It's an opportunity for profound connection. Approach your daily prayer as a form of meditation, a sacred moment to connect with your innermost self and the divine. Feel each moment, savor each word, and allow the stillness to reveal the whispers of your souls. Number 2, reflection or tafakkur. In our fast-paced world, quiet contemplation is a revolutionary act. Set aside time each day for silent reflection. Find a peaceful spot, close your eyes, and simply observe the ebb and flow of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice of mindful awareness can reveal profound insights about your desires, fears, and aspirations. Number 3, journaling. The simple act of putting pen to paper can be transformative. Make it a habit to write about your experiences, emotions, and spiritual insights. This practice not only helps to clarify your thoughts but also creates a tangible record of your growth and evolution. Number 4, seeking knowledge. The pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey in Islam. Engage deeply with spiritual texts, attend lectures, and seek out teachings that resonate with your heart. Remember, true knowledge is not just information, but wisdom that transforms your being. As we dive deeper into the essence of love, we discover that it's a delicate balance, a marriage between deep connection and healthy independence. True love requires constant attention, boundless empathy, and a willingness to navigate the intricate landscape of another's heart while honoring your own unique journey. At the very core of this profound love lies empathy, the ability to truly understand and share the feelings of another. To love deeply is to see the world through the eyes of your beloved, to feel their joys and sorrows if they were your own. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, beautifully expressed this concept. None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. This hadith is not just a lovely sentiment, but a challenge, a call to expand our hearts beyond the confines of self-interest and truly consider the well-being of others. It highlights the transformative power of empathy and love, pushing us to grow beyond our limited perspectives. But how can we nurture and deepen our capacity for empathy? Here are some practical ways to cultivate this essential quality. Number 1, actively listening. In a world full of distraction, giving someone your undivided attention is a profound act of love. Practice listening when others speak, focusing not on formatting your response, but on deeply understanding their perspective. Listen not just with your ears, but with your heart. Number 2, perspective taking. Before rushing to judgment, pause and imagine yourself in others' situation. What might be driving their actions or words? This practice of mental role reversal can foster compassion and understanding, even in challenging situations. Number 3, acts of service. Regular thoughtful gestures performed without expectation of return can nurture empathy and deepen connections. Whether it's preparing a meal for a loved one or offering a helping hand to a stranger, these acts remind us of our shared community. Number 4, gratitude practice. Take each day to acknowledge and appreciate the positive qualities of those around you. This practice not only strengthens relationships but also trains our mind to focus on the good in others. As we cultivate these qualities of self awareness and empathy, we come to understand that true love is not a destination to be reached, but an ongoing journey of growth, understanding, and mutual support. The Quran beautifully captures this essence. And of his signs is that he created for you from yourselves mates that you may find tranquility in them, and he placed between you affection and mercy. Indeed, in that are signs for people who give thought. This profound verse reminds us that while love is indeed a divine gift, it's one that requires our active participation and reflection. The tranquility, affection, and mercy mentioned are not automatic. They are qualities to be cultivated through conscious effort and deep contemplation. So, to conclude, as we return to our initial question, is true love an art we can master or a mysterious force beyond our control? Perhaps we're asking the wrong question entirely. The real question isn't whether we can master love, but whether we are willing to embark on the profound journey it requires. By embracing practices of mindfulness, self-reflection, and empathy, we deepen our capacity to love both ourselves and others. This creates relationships that are not just fulfilling, but truly transformative. Partnerships that alleviate both individuals ripple out to positively impact the world around them. Remember, every step on this path, even the challenging one, is an opportunity for growth and deeper connection. The arguments, the misunderstandings, the moments of doubt, these are not obstacles to love, but invitations to understand ourselves and each other more deeply. Be patient with yourself and with others, for true love unfolds in its own beautiful time, like a delicate flower opening to the sun. I invite you to reflect on your own journey of love and self-discovery. What practices resonate with you? How can you cultivate greater empathy and understanding in your relationships? Remember, the path of true love is not always easy, but it is infinitely rewarding. Are you ready to begin, or perhaps deepen, this soulful journey of love and self-discovery? The first step is simply opening your heart to the possibility of growth. May Allah guide us all on this beautiful path, illuminating our way with His infinite wisdom and compassion. So until next time, may peace and grace find you wherever you are. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Don't forget to like and subscribe.